Okay, up above here, I would say we did a molding on the other one, so we need some of that 3.5 inch with a 45 on one side, one edge of it, that camphor edge, I think it's called. And then we need to put that up. We need to do a lot of scraping. Fortunately, we have the window already in place here. We have to re-nail and prime, so a lot of work right there. Hopefully we can reach that from the ground. These two windows are done. Oh, we need a place above this. Okay, what do we got here? So we have about a 4-inch space between the molding and the top. Yeah, you can see it's, 4 inches. And the distance, we need to okay, the distance is 39. So 4 inches by 39. We need that top. And we have to somehow mimic this effect. So 4 inches by 39.